everyone, Kelly Schaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have another mystery box. This is another plus size reseller mystery box. This one I purchased on eBay. This is supposed to be a 5-pound box. I need to weigh it because I think it's a little shy of 5 pounds. This box cost $25 and I did start watching this box within an hour. The seller sent me an offer for $20. The box is $20 and free shipping. So, I mean, I couldn't beat that, right? I did pay an extra $1.21 in taxes. So $20, something like that for this box of clothing. If you want to see what I got, stick around. If you're new to my channel, hello, I want to welcome you. I unbox women's clothing. That's what I do on this channel. So if you like those types of videos, I really hope that you'll subscribe and see me again. I purchased this box to list in my Poshmark closet. Yes, I've had a lot of luck selling plus size fashion in my Poshmark closet. I just don't have much of it. And that is why I started looking online to source for my Poshmark closet. I have no idea. I did check out the seller's store. It looked really awesome. I will leave all of the seller's information in the description box below if you want to get one of these boxes for yourself. Like I said, they're $25. I paid $20. You might be able to pay $22. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know the seller. I don't know anything about it. I did cut the tape. Let me see if I can get into this. I hate to make you guys watch this part as I struggle to open boxes. So I usually cut this out. Okay, I got into it. And, all right, it doesn't smell bad. This is what it looks like. So my favorite color on top. We have one bag. We have two bags. We have 3 bags of clothing. These colors look pretty nice. If you know me, you know I am a lover of color. The color just looks better in my Poshmark closet. So let's start with the first bundle I pulled out. There is a sticker. It is wrapped. I appreciate that. It's been raining here, and so I appreciate that extra protection. So the first piece that we received now this is kind of an orangey red, maybe a tomato red. This is so pretty. Who are you? This is Ashley Stewart. And okay, so this is the back. This is probably can be worn off the shoulder or even on the shoulder, but it has that little cross detail in the back. And this is the front. It does have a nice, beautiful sleeve detail. That's about an elbow length sleeve. And so, yeah, this one's pretty nice. Smells clean. I appreciate clean clothing. I don't know. Just probably everyone does. Okay, next piece. This is navy. It looked black and white in the package. This is so cute too. This is by the brand Mignette. I don't see a size on it though. Let me see if the tag says the size. There is no tag. So I will have to look this up. Mignette. Anyone ever heard of Mignette before? This is really cute. This is it feels like a polyester fabric, but it's a nice thick polyester. It does have a peplum style on it, a scoop neck, and there is a little bit of lace detail in the back. So this might not be season appropriate, although the weight of the fabric, if you wore this with a cardigan, it would work. So, okay, hopefully I can find the size on that. Let's go bundle number 2. Okay, this is definitely black. This is kind of black and almost a gold color. Who are you? This is Soft by Avenue, and this is a size 30-32. This is a blouse. This is a polyester blouse, and that's a bit of a scoop neck. Let's see the sleeve. So that's what the sleeve looks like. And it's just got a straight hem on it. So this is very pretty. This would be really nice for the office. This would also be nice for the holidays because it does have a little bit of gold in it. I don't know. I love to wear gold holiday time. So Soft by Avenue. I don't know that brand. And then we have, this looks like a top I own. Let's see, who is this? This is Cato Woman, and this is a size 18-20, and this is what it looks like. Is that an off the shoulder? I don't know. Off the shoulder, or this is like a chiffon top, and doesn't have, no, it does not have, it seems like it's, okay, it seems like it's a little thinner through the arms, but it is a button up, and then it's complete elastic. So again, that might be off the shoulder, and this might be a springtime top. Is that elastic? Elastic on the arms. I don't know. This one's all right. This is what the back looks like. So it's kind of got like a gray print on it. Is that a peacock? I don't know what that is. But yeah, this is nice. Pretty color. I like the color, but it's not necessarily season appropriate. Okay, this is beautiful color. This is pink and white, and this looks like a sweater of some sort. This is by Lane Bryant. And oh wow, this is so nice. This is a cardigan, and that is a V-neck cardigan. What size? A 26-28. Is it a long sleeve? It might be a, yeah, it looks like an elbow length cardigan, but look how pretty. And it's a very lightweight cardigan, so it might be more appropriate for the springtime. I don't care. I'm going to list it in my Poshmark closet. This is in really good shape. Yeah, really nice shape. Are all the buttons there? Let's see. Oh, it's got the pink buttons too. Can you see that? I like that. This is a beautiful piece. Okay, buttons are all there. This one looks like it's in great shape, and it could be worn right now. It just gives me more of a springtime vibe. Okay, the last piece is by Established 1946. Is it 1946, 1948? Not wearing glasses. I never wear glasses at home, but this is kind of, I call this a smock top. You can see all that crochet detail in the front. It does have the tie at the neck, and let's see the sleeve. Oh, it's got an interesting sleeve. That's about a 3/4 or sleeve, maybe an elbow sleeve with a little bell ruffle on it. It also has a ruffle on the hemline. This one is pretty. It's a beautiful color. I believe this magenta color, fuchsia color, could be worn right now. I'm the girl that wears color all year round. So this box was actually advertised as a high-end designer box. I don't feel like it is. I received 6 pieces in this reseller plus size mystery box, and the cost per piece broke down to $3.53 a piece. So that's not bad. I will definitely be able to more than double my money on these pieces. That's what I think. Is there any designer brands here? You let me know, because I'm not familiar with all of the brands. I really want to expand my Poshmark closet and have more plus size offerings because they do so very well in my closet. I started selling plus size because I had a couple girlfriends that actually cleaned out their closet and gave me plus size clothing. Their clothing was really cute, but I sold it so quickly that of course I want to add more plus size to my closet. Is this a good idea? Sourcing online for the clothing that I am not able to find? I think it is. You let me know in the comments below if you resell on Poshmark. Please let me know where you can find great plus size clothing. And you're probably going to tell me Goodwill, thrift store. Yeah, I know, because I recently started thrift shopping and I was able to find a few plus size pieces. They just don't seem to be out there in the wild like straight size pieces. So I am very happy to add a little bit more plus size to my closet. I have linked my Poshmark closet below, so if you want to check out the pricing or any of these items, you can find me on Poshmark through the link below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and come back. I have more boxes. Those are mystery boxes. Well, one is a subscription box, but the rest are mystery boxes, and everything in those boxes will be listed in my Poshmark closet. So if you want to be the first to see what's going inside my Poshmark closet, subscribe and join me for the next video. I can't wait to see you. Blessings to all of you.